This is not my normal thing. So we're gonna enter this 997 into the car show for the Hot Import Nights Honolulu edition. So I'm super excited. Gotta check in, do some mini inspection.
You can go in there. Thank you.
Oh, appreciate it. Sponsored by Nexen Tires. Man, if I win some tires, it's gonna be awesome. That's my goal. Win some free tires. Yeah, it's all for fun. It's a lifestyle event. So, I'm not used to sitting somewhere for, I don't know how long we've been sitting here, 30 minutes? Very interesting. I have no idea.
That's a Volkswagen, is it?
No, that's the little K-van. That one's for sale.
That's the one I like?
No, but it's the same type of thing, yeah. The bigger one. That is the one you like. Well, there we go. We are now officially parked at the thing. No drama. Now to wipe the car down since it sat in the rain. Well, I'll work up an appetite. This is going to be a good lunch.
You missed a spot. Right here.
This ain't no place to be if you plan on being a star. Let me tell you, it's always cool.
Okay, so I think we're wiped down enough. I'll just put out my little signs, my little QR code, and check out the competition, go get some lunch, and come back and see. The cars are starting to line up. And then later we'll look at the cars. Alright, let me feed the machine. I don't know, this is normally not a food vlog, it's normally just a car driving thing, but we dropped the car off early. The show is tonight, so time to get some food before we go walk around. And I got some ramen at this Asahi Grill is the name of the place. I actually was here 20-something years ago, so trying it again. Oh, it's hot.
Ooh, you just make me feel feeling like bulletproof. This bitch gon' make me shoot. She want a rendezvous. Black roses die for you. Bitch, all I wanna do, right through the night with you. Through the nights I'm flipping, through the nights I'm texting, through the nights that I'm with you. Oh girl, I got a confession. If you say that you love me, then prove it that you love me. Nothing else above me. Oh girl, you are so lovely. Ooh, you just make me feel, feeling like bulletproof. This bitch gon' make me shoot. She wanted rendezvous. Black roses die for you.
GT3 RS? Oh, it's a GT500, that's the supercharged one.
So this is not the car show.
Portofino, which I'm probably saying incorrectly, but this is neat. I think they're neat. Yeah, this is the one.
Oh,
That's
yeah.
got carbon ceramic brakes on it. $250 they want. It's got some imperfections. Someone drove it. I don't know what this one is. Is this the 488?
This is my favorite right here.
Oh, the F1? This is the 488. This is rash. They don't have the new one.
Yeah, was this just sitting here for a while?
You know what they do now is they have a brand new Maserati 20. Brand new Maserati. Check that out. So this is the new Maserati Supercar right here. This is cool. Wow. Someone must have ordered it. I bet it's sold, which is why they haven't sold out. I've never seen it before. So this is Magic Island. It kind of goes around, and you can't see, but that's Waikiki over there. And that's downtown. So got 3 more hours to kill, got to get some food, and then we'll see what happens with this car show tonight.
Somebody's gonna catch it right here.
All right.
No, over here this time. They didn't do it.
Okay, just
Somebody's gonna drop.
watch my back. I mean, this is a sketchy spot. How did it? Yeah. No, see over there, that's where the guys are. I didn't catch it. See, that's where when it's bigger, that's the spot over there. Okay, that's. Oh yeah, the lagoon, Magic Island. And see that hotel with the rainbow on it? I used to work there. Yeah. Oh, there he is. is so calm and peaceful. Okay, so what's up with the hole in the building there? Look at it. Check it out. It's literally a giant asshole in the side of the building. No clue. Wow, this is kind of a bigger deal than I thought.
Yeah. Weezy out of here. Back home smoking legal. I got more slaps than the Beatles. Foreign shit running on diesel, dawg. Playing with my name, this shit is lethal, dawg. Who you see? What? Don Corleone. Trust me, at the top it isn't lonely. Everybody acting like they know me, dawg. Don't just say it down, you gotta show me what you gotta do. Bring the clip back empty. You asked to see the ball, so they sent me, dawg. I just broke her off with a 10-piece, dawg. There ain't nothing, I'm just being friendly, dawg. It's just a little 10-piece for it, just to blow it in the mall. Doesn't mean that we involved. I just put a Richard on the card. I ain't going playing ball, but I'll show you how the fuck you gotta do it. If you really wanna fall till you fall when you're back against the wall. And a bunch of niggas need you to go away. Still going bad on them anyway. Saw you last night but did it all day. Yeah, a lot of murk caught me in a hard way. But got a sticky and I keep it at my dog's place. Girl, I left you loving magic, not all shade. Still going bad on you anyway. Whoa, 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 whoa. I can feel like 80 rats in my Marys. Me and Drizzy back to back, it's getting scary. If you fucking with my eyes, just don't come near me. Put some bins all on your head like Jason Terry. Whoa. Richard Millie cuss a Lambo. Known to keep the baddest bitches on commando. Every time I'm in my trap, I move like Rambo. Ain't a neighborhood in Philly that I can't go. For real. She said, oh, you rich. Bitch, I graduated, call me Big Fish. I got Lori Hurry on my wish list. That's the only thing I want for Christmas. I been had my way out here, yeah, no, that's facts. You ain't living that shit you said, yeah, we know that's cat. You ain't got the ass in when you see me, no, I'm straight. DTOVO, we back again, we going back. It's just a little 10-piece for it, just to blow it in the mall. Doesn't mean that we involved. I just put a Richard on the card. I ain't going playing ball, but I'll show you how the fuck you gotta do it. If you really wanna fall till you fall when you're back against the wall. And a bunch of niggas need you to fall.
Okay, so it's 7:20, 7:30ish at night. Gonna get some food. That thing is going off. Oh my god, it's packed. We'll see what happens through the night. Lots of cars, lots of excitement. Not my normal type of thing, but fun to experience.
Still going bad on them anyway. Saw you last night, but did it broad day.
Damn, we used to conflict. Tony Brando, why these niggas in the Louboutin kicks?
So it's getting late. I can't handle the loud music. I'm old. Whatever. Gonna go for a walk. Full moon out. That's probably why it's all freaky deaky in there. And somehow I gotta stay awake for another 2.5 hours for the award ceremony and another half an hour after that to get my car. Oh my goodness. That's awesome, yet slow motion.
Because I want to be slow, I don't want to be fast. Woo!
Wait, what? Uh-oh. Let me see all the popo. Where are they going? Where are they going? Please don't be going to my event. Okay, good. I know, it's late at night. They're still coming in. Subaru's getting rowdy. Yeah, of course. Oh, sounds like a fart can, but yeah, makes them happy. moonlight in the trees. Only another hour to go for the show to end so I can rescue my car. Can you even see how big that wing is? Oh my god. Oh, it's pink, but it's not an electric car, even though it's kind of parked for electric stuff. Oh, the electric thing is all messed up. Someone ruined it. Nobody's dancing. Okay, so it's the end of the show. Surprisingly, I didn't win anything. And the cars are starting to leave, and some of the cars are pretty rowdy. Okay, that was a cool event. For a Hawaii car show, that was pretty good. That's what you expect. Some music, they had models, they had amazing cars. About 40 or 50 of them were just like, what? People are crazy with fixing up their car and doing just to the extreme. So I'm kind of actually proud of that. Me, I have lots of excuses. I'm getting old. I'm a single dad. I work IT. I work in the morning. Like, I work really early morning. I'm usually in bed by 8:30, 9 o'clock. So staying up till 1 o'clock in the morning for a non-fun event. And I shouldn't say it wasn't a fun event. It's just when you work in the event, you know, I got there at 1 and had to figure out stuff to do. If I was to do it again, I would Uber home and Uber back at the end of the night. So I'm not kind of waiting around. But I hope you enjoyed this video. I highlighted most of the cards that I liked, not all of them. There was a few that I didn't really see until late, and I just got tired and grouchy or whatever. But I hope you enjoyed. Until next time, aloha.